भगवान का नाम और ध्यान घर में रहेगा हर वक्त, सकारात्मक प्रभाव वेदाक्ष धूप बत्ती से।
आपने देखा कि इवेंट इज बीइंग ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ अर्थ साइंसेज इन कोलैबोरेशन विद डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी and other ministries, Department of Atomic Energy, and Punjab University is the host. So from December 6 to 6, 7, 8, 9 for 4 days, the International Science Festival will be on PU campus, and we expect participation from northern part of India in this science festival. We are expecting school students, college students, university students to participate, and there would be exhibition from different departments, and speakers would also be there for different sessions. Students को जैसे मैंने आपको बोला है, हमने बोल दिया है, मिनिस्ट्री ने भी नोटिफाई कर दिया है, हम इलेक्शन शेड्यूल अनाउंस करेंगे आफ्टर फॉलोइंग द ड्यू प्रोसीजर. सो वी आर रिक्वेस्टिंग देम सिंस यस्टरडे नाइट टू एंड द प्रोटेस्ट. कैलेंडर के अकॉर्डिंग जो ड्यूरेशन रिक्वायर्ड है, वोटर लिस्ट वगैरह बनानी होती है, और जो शेड्यूल है दैट इज़ टू बी अप्रूव्ड बाय द चांसलर ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटी. That procedure has to be followed.
India International Science Festival is an annual flagship event for the science and technology innovation, mainly to provoke the young minds to take up the science as their nodal subject. Also, how do we do science and technology for the growth journey of India? For that, maybe 2047 we are looking for Viksit Bharat. For that, the young minds has to do various technology or various science. We need to innovate, we need to develop more and more technology for commercial utilization. For that we need to develop our young minds. For that we are creating the ecosystem to be more innovative. That is the main purpose. And this year it is as already mentioned, that we are going for Atmanirbhar Bharat. What is that we can do? And mainly this particular section year we focus on Northwest India. What are the technology, what are the science can be done, what we can do for this community, society. You take it weather disasters or whatever the things are happening in Northwest India, how we can tackle that we are trying. Yeah, that's what now we have. Last year we have started Mission Mausam, new mission mode project. Under that project we are planning to have more and more observing system, radar and other things, so that any of the weather system, whatever is happening unnoticed without this one, and whatever the weather changes are happening, we are every year we are trying to improve our weather forecast, not only this location, everywhere.
भगवान का नाम और ध्यान घर में रहेगा हर वक्त, सकारात्मक प्रभाव वेदाक्ष धूप बत्ती से। वेदाक्ष ज्योतिष सेवा संस्थान द्वारा अभिमंत्रित धूप बत्ती रोज, मोगरा और बेलपत्र की महक से लक्ष्मी का होगा वास। वेदाक्ष धूप बत्ती।